In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add apps to your home screen on your Samsung television. So the first thing you want to do is just grab your television remote control and obviously make sure your TV's turned on, and then we're going to press the home button, which is this one here, to bring up the Samsung home screen. Now what you're going to do is use the directional arrow keys to scroll across this menu. So I'm just going to scroll all the way to the left here until you've selected apps and click on this. Then that's going to bring up the Samsung app screen. Now from here, not only can you install new apps, you can also manage which apps are displayed on your home screen. So to do this, use the up arrow key to come over to the settings icon in the top navigation and press OK. And then from this menu here, you can find all of the apps that you have installed on your television. So to go and add one of these to the home screen, we just need to scroll across to it. And then you can use the downwards arrow key to scroll over to add to home, and then just go and press OK. And now what you can do is use the right and left arrow key to position this where you want it displayed in the app navigation. Once you're happy with the placement, just go and press OK. And just like that, we've now added this to our Samsung home screen. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.